Oh no, Bitcoin went below 30,000. Everyone panic, go crazy. Please, I've been in this since 3.5 thousand, so I'm good.
Nerdy dude stuff.
For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is the Ivanhoe Brewing Joyland America IPA. We have had this before on the channel, and we rated it 3.75. But what we've never done is have it on the channel while sitting in a tub of beer. So, once again, 3.75 American IPA, sitting in a tub of beer. Cheers to you guys.
High five! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a video about cryptocurrency. We had a little bit too much to drink last night for our birthday celebration, so no beer of the day. Yeah. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider subscribing, turning on the bell notification, and liking this video. Now, everyone was freaking out with me last night. We were talking about cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin's dropping down to 30, and under 30, and 28,000, 26,000, and some people think it might hit like down to 10,000. They're all newer into the cryptocurrency space. I've been in crypto since 2017. I first got into Bitcoin when it was at $3,500, and I'm not really too worried because the way I look at cryptocurrency is I look at other opportunities to grow and earn a passive income, right? So one thing I did tell a couple of my buddies last night was you got to stop looking at your crypto. If you don't need to sell it or need to get out or need the tangible funds or whatever, don't look at your crypto in a dollar amount. Just look at how much you have. So with that kind of said, we're always looking for other ways to grow and to make passive income, obviously with the plug and play mining, with the NFT games now, with the play to earns that we're looking into. And then one of my subscribers asked me to look at 100 Days Venture, and so I did. And so that's kind of what I want to go over today. Remember, on this channel, it's not financial advice or anything like that. It's my journey, and I kind of, educate and show you guys along the way, but really it's everything that I do. So we took a stab at 100 Days Venture. I think we put in only $125 right now. Is all we were able to kind of like skim before, the whole plummet and tank and all that stuff. We were going to do more, but at the time when I jumped in just to kind of get my feet wet and get comfortable with the platform, we only put $125 in. So without further ado, let's jump over onto the screen. We'll go over a couple of things and we'll just start this journey today.
You're gonna have to forgive me for being extra foggy, and I'm gonna bumble through, and I'm gonna make some mistakes and probably say the wrong stuff because just so mush up here. Gotta stop drinking. But anywho, so 100 Days Venture. This is on the Avalanche blockchain, so you do have to have AVAX and Avalanche set up in your MetaMask. We don't really showcase how to do that in this video. I think we did in the Thor video. But what it is it's essentially a DeFi auto-staking protocol powering a true business launchpad. Read it right there. About 100 Days Ventures. They are taking rebasing mechanics and innovating on top of it to build an ecosystem that resurrects and builds business to bring the highest profitability to its investors through utility. Not really like what we're doing on it. What really attracted us to, and also because like, in case you don't know, I just wanted to pull up the definition of rebase, which is establish a new base level. So that's what they're doing with their token, the Astro token, is they rebase it, I believe, like 48 times a day, and we're going to take a look at that. And every time they rebase, so pretty much every 30 minutes in the DApp, we time until the next rebase, we then earn more. So when we first got into the platform, we got in for $125, and it gave us about 15,000 tokens. And I believe it's been live for about 3 days now. So in the past 3 days, we've already earned another 3,000 tokens because of the rebasing. I'm not terribly worried about the price and everything down right now. I'm kind of hoping, and the reason why I jumped into this with just so small is because that's all I had to shave off, but I was like hoping that also this might be one of those like lightning in a bottle projects, like where Thor jumped up to $215 and what's the other one, man? Tavern jumped up to like $15 or $10 or $12 or something, where if we put $125 into it and then we got 15,000 tokens, what would happen if this token jumped up to like $50 or $100? So I'm really kind of hoping to go from there with that lightning in a bottle experience, which would be really, really cool. Am I reaching? Probably not. But the other attractive stuff here is that they do have a 100,000% APY with a daily return rate, a DPR, daily percentage rate, of 1.91%. And we'll see more of that on the white paper here. But another thing too that, excuse me, another thing as well is that, you know, everyone, I've been watching and researching a few of the videos and stuff, and their entire team is doxed, and they've come out and shown all their information, and it's not just like, you know, a like studio or a company in like India that just does the KYC, and if anything ever happened, they could just pull out and get a slap on the wrist or something. But no, their whole team is doxed. So if you want to get into something like this, then, you know, always do your own research, or you could just kind of watch our journey here. So, okay, cool, that's all refreshed now. So what I also like about the actual project itself and the actual like dApp is that once I bought, I don't have to do anything at all, ever. I don't have to move any of the tokens out of my wallet to another wallet. I don't have to go like in, you know, let's pull up another one here, just Taveen. Let's pull up, oh my gosh, it's a Mortal Kombat character, that's hilarious. Let's pull up, you know, just use another example. So with breweries, and like with Tavern, you have to go and like claim your stuff. So right now, if we go to our wallet, we've got 25.635 meat available. Meat sitting at what? Where's the price? 57 cents. Wait. But if we wanted to claim it, we'd have to claim and then pay the AVAX taxes and so on and so forth. Same with, you know, the other nodes and all that other stuff that we would do. Versus here, we just hold it in our wallet and it accumulates. So it literally is a set and forget. And that's kind of also why I like it. So let's just skim some of the white paper real quick, so that way, you know, I'm doing my due diligence and going everything. But what is 100 Days? 100 Days is a passive income generating DeFi ecosystem fueled by the Astro token. So you saw here that we have 18,088 of those Astro tokens. And what it is with Astro, our investors will be able to enjoy the user-friendly feature of auto staking. Set it and forget it. A mechanic built into the token smart contract with the purpose of simplicity. Gone are the days of manual staking. With Astro, you can enjoy the satisfaction watching tokens increase in your wallet for every 30 minutes. 48 times, I said 43 earlier, it's 48 times a day, earned one rebase at a time. So yeah, you see the countdown here that they do the rebasing. So in 25 hours, or in 25 minutes, we're gonna have our next rebase. So that's every 30 minutes, I believe. So we'll go back to here, and then blah 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 blah. And 100 Days provides the financial stability of a fixed daily percent rate, or DPR, of 1.91085% on your quantity of tokens. For the first patient, told you I was going to brain fart everything. With the power of auto compounding, a max potential APY of 100,003.367% a year can be achieved for the most patient of investors. However, with our vision for utility of the Astro token in the form of art, finance, technology, we aim to provide a sustainable financial ecosystem for all. So as someone that's just kind of like dabbling in the platform, you know, you want to see them branch out to, like they're saying, like art, finance, and technology, and have other people build off of the platform as well. But for us, it's just like, I just want to hang on and grow. So if they're sitting there saying it's a 1.96 or 1.91 APY, so it shows you right here that your daily earnings are 1.55, or right now I'm getting about 345 Astro a day. I should probably pull up a compounding calculator on this, actually. But that's going to compound daily. We were looking at every 30 minutes. So we're getting about 7.19 every 30 minutes, and that's compounding. So then next it's going to be 18,095, and then that's going to compound on top of that, on top of that, on top of that. So really, there's a good snowball here from the auto staking, where, like I said, you just set it and forget it, and it's going to keep growing and keep growing. I think when I first was doing this, you know, I was making 15,000. 15,000. We're just going to say that times. Want to make sure I do the percentages correctly. So yeah, so we're making about 286 a day. Now with it being 3 or 4 days later, we're now up. So we're now 59 Astro more a day just from those 3 days of holding and auto staking. So that's something very attractive that I like about it. Like I said, you just set it and forget it. And it's as easy, well, if you want to also make sure you add the token to your MetaMask wallet up here, because that way you can then go and see it down here as well. Boom, right there. So we've already got our next rebase, and you can see right here, I've got 18,095 tokens. So you've seen that 7 already go up while I was recording. I'm actually pretty happy that happened. But anywho, what else was there going on? You can always do your own research and all that stuff. So if you want to get your own, you go on the AVAX network and you just go into the swap here. What is this? So this is a calculator. Ooh, a calculator. Let's play around with a calculator. So you're going to swap it over here. You're going to swap AVAX or Astro. But okay, so let's see. Since it's a 100 days venture, let's see what we'd make in 100 days based on our initial today. So if we put in $81 right now, in 100 days, our potential future position would be $540. So my Astro Rewards estimation would be 102,000 Astro. So cool, they've got the compounding rate here. And that's just at the current price. So if this jumped up to like $10, then look at that. My $80 would be, well, really 125 is what we put into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'd be a millionaire. What's our 30-day target like? That's only if that's if it hits $10. All we need is a token to hit $10. And if we have 18,000 right now, I'd be okay with that because we get 180,000. That'd be pretty nifty. So, what do I want to fart around with? I want to put it back to the token price, 0.0045. So I believe I purchased mine at like 8 cents, you know, at 0.008 or 0.006. But very, very happy with that. So if the price stays at that, in a year, just the initial investment of the $80 that it's saying right now would be 79,704 in the token. So once this market finishes and corrects itself, once everything corrects itself and finishes, to the moon, baby, one Lambo.
Anywho, that's going to be it for me today, guys. Not really my, you know, super duper peppy self, just stupid freaking brain fog. But I had to get content out because I hadn't done a lot of content this week. I've been working in my yard and doing all this stuff for my house before I start my new job, and I felt like my channel was suffering. So I do apologize for that you guys had a terrible week of content. But if you made it this far and I haven't turned you off, trust me, I'm a lot more fun. Videos are a lot better. The sound quality is better because I just noticed that I didn't record it on my mic right here, just into that webcam. But please consider subscribing, liking, turning the bell notification on, all that good stuff. I'm O'Prius. I'll see you guys next time. Fake sip. Oh, hey guys. We also stream over on Twitch, so if you want to hang out and join us, link in the description. You can follow us, twitch.tv/nerdydudestuff1. Really love to see you guys over there. And also other social media information is in the description of this video. So we'll see you guys next time.